Good afternoon, students. Welcome again, chapter number 4, Computer Networking. Today, let's learn networking components. Pages, page number 34, learning page, and chapter pages 33 to 42. Information technology, our subject, and standard 6th. So, last video we learned what is the requirement of networking, what is necessity, and benefits of networking. After that, let's learn today requirement of components for networking. So let's see page number 34. Students, networking benefits. See this information. Networking benefits. Most important benefits. See this sharing information. Information stored at multiple locations or stored safely at one site can be shared instantaneously, reliably, and efficiently. Second, software resources. A software stored on one computer can be shared by all users connected to this computer. Hardware resources. Principal devices like scanner, CD writer, high-end printer, etc. can be included in a network so that all users can use them. This is benefits of networking. So let's see networking components. Networking components require two kinds of network components. One, hardware, and second, software. Some of these are explained below. Not all, some of these. Hardware, server computer. Most computer network use a fast high capacity computer as the control center of a network. It is called server. Control center, see this, means main computer. Let's see server computer. SERVERComputer, server computer. Okay, let's see no internet access. Something is wrong. Let's see with the help of image. See this. This is server, means main computer. For this is clients like my PC or your PC. Okay, this is sharing device, printer. Sharing device, printer. Okay, so server is fast higher capacity computers. Okay, network interface card, NIC. It is an add-on card like sound or video card. Students, see this network interface card. This card see this add-on card like sound or video card which plug into motherboard of user's computer. Which computer? User's computer. The network cable connected to the NIC network interface card. It is also called network adapter. Network interface card, it is called also network adapter. Now network cable, it is cable which physically connected user's computer to a network. The cable provides a path for information to follow from one computer to another computer. One computer to another computer. There are three principal types of cable use local area network. Unshielded, shielded, twisted pair. UTP or STP like those used for telephone lines. Twisted pair used for telephone lines is the cheapest and earliest to install. Easiest to install, it has the lowest message carrying capacity of three types. Lowest message carrying capacity. Okay. Now coaxial cable, coax like those used for cable TV has higher capacity than UTP and STP but also more expensive. This cable is more expensive than twisted pair but it has higher capacity to message carrying. Lower capacity twisted pair, highest capacity coaxial cable. Then fiber optics cable carrying message in the from light and has the highest message carrying capacity. Highest capacity, see this optical fiber, but it is also costliest and difficult to install. Difficult to install. See this fiber optic, difficult to install. Now softwares. Network operating system means NOS is operating system which controls the operations of computer network. It manages different users connected to the network and guided the messages between computers and devices. Some of the popular network operating systems are Windows NT, Novell Network, Windows 2000, Windows XP, Linux and Novell NetWare. Okay. Communication protocol. Communication protocols means rules and regulations is most important part of network. Transfer data one computer to another computer. It is refer the common set rules that governs communication between computers and devices in a network. Communication protocol is to computer the what language is to human. To human can successfully communicate when they speak to some language. Similarly, for two devices on network to communicate, they must both follow the same protocol. Language protocol is same protocol. Now, network driver. It is a small software for the run to network interface. It is small software for run network interface. Like see this calculator, also a small software for doing sums. So like that, the network driver also a small software that run network interface card on user's computer. It must be installed on every user computer connected to the network. It must be installed. It's very necessary to install every user computer connected to the network. So student, we learn today components of networking, required computer components, some required components of networking. So we learn this information today. So I'll meet you next video with type of networks. First video we learn benefits and concept of networking. Second video we learn this video we learn working networking components, and next video we will learn types of networks. Watch carefully and solve exercises regularly. Okay, so bye.